Good morning, Mighty Warrior. Good morning, Cookie Game. Good morning. Hope you all are having fun. Yeah. Well, it's another beautiful day. Another beautiful day. Let's see what the market has for us. I'm just just to look around and see. Just to look around and see. Yeah, I was on New Zealand USD, but the trade is going against me right now, so we'll see how it goes from there. London is now open, so could see a retracement back to the original. I'm gonna take this GBP USD. I'm shorting the trade from here.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Yep, I just looking at it. He has a pull. Yeah, he has a downtrend and then it reversed back up, and he has another pull back down, then reverse back up. So potentially he's supposed to push more back down because he's on the supply. Just a little bit of supply, retracing the supply to test it again. So I'm thinking he's meant to really push more down and see how he has to go from here. Let me put it on the. Sorry guys, well. Now in GBP USD. Yep. Sorry for the noise because I put it on another system. Okay. Let's see. We are now in GBP USD. That's the trade that we have now. Let's Let's see, what can we look at? USD card. Yeah, good morning, Shagun. How you doing? Okay. Yeah, GBP USD push really up. I was looking at it this morning. It went really up on this side, and suddenly, nice pulling back. So there's nothing on it than for me to see if he can hold. But overall, on the daily, he's downtrend. So he's trying to like push himself back up. You can see the bearish candle on the daily of yesterday closed bearish. So this is today's candle starting very low also. So he's pulling more down on this. So probably we're gonna have a much of downtrend on this trade today. Yeah. So let's see what is gonna happen. Looking at it, people already shutting the trade from here down, because you can see the on the daily himself is already bearish. So people that trade the daily charts already trying to short because they see that the end up yesterday with a bearish candle. You see how fast it went down now on this place. See how fast it went down. It just pushed just a little bit up and creating this doji candle, indecision candle, and now it's coming in there. Yeah. So there's nothing much to look at on that trade. Here's the chef. Swiss. USD Swiss, as my people call it. Yeah, we could see it left the demand. To me, this is what I call mostly profit taking. Because he left from here, went back up, come here then, and now he's going step by step back up. I believe he's gonna go a little bit up and push down, maybe a little bit of sideways, then he go back up to retest this, all from here, and just create just a little bit up, a little bit down, a little bit down, a little bit up, then it comes fully down back. But overall on the daily is also bearish, so nothing much. Yeah, if you're looking for potential of shorting the trade, then it has to be somewhere here. It has to be somewhere from here. That's to get the potential of be able to short the trade. Because yeah, if you could go up down here back to 89, 88, then I can look for sell from here, maybe to take it back to 89.74. So all this uptrend we'll see on the 1 hour is just a little bit of a retracement back up on the daily. It's only just the uptrend of this daily chart, just this one. Looking at it on the daily is downtrend, so let's look at another pair. Yeah, yesterday, Aussie yen, yeah. I only took the first TP, and it take me out. So on the second one, I tried to cover something there. Well, all the way down, we also have a downtrend. Looking at it on the daily, if I have to also use a little bit of trend line to see it has not been broken. So we have this massive downtrend on USD. Probably it's gonna test this and decide to come back down again. So we're just running a massive downtrend. And we can see what is happening right here. Because we're in a massive downtrend. All this is just a little bit of retracement and pullback. If this close bearish, but I want it to come back up here to retest this. Okay, then I can take it back down. I'm really liking this trade. I'm really liking this trade. Think I need to set sell limit on it so I don't miss it. Yeah, let me put sell limit on it so I don't miss it. Because you can decide to come up and just stop it and decide continue back down. So that's why I don't want to take the chance. Just don't want to miss it. No, automatically the moment the sell limit hits, I already have my stop loss and take profit is already set, so it's gonna appear the moment it hits. You're gonna see the stop loss and the take profit will come. Oh, this guy is funny. What is he saying again? 1 minute, 1 minute. I'm coming. Let me look. Let's see. We're down 3 pips on New Zealand USD. Yeah. Yeah, well, you guys can see there's no need of explanation on this New Zealand USD. But the reason of taking the trade is just testing back the supply. You can see it coming, and there's a lot of weak. The way how I trade my supply and demand is the moment it can come in and tap it and go back. The distance is not that big for the retracement of this move from down here to here and coming back, not somehow contested, but now he's here. So he's in a way he has still have some sell that is still up here. So that's what I'm looking at. The sell that is still up here is still there, because if not, it's supposed to break it. That's where I see it. It's supposed to really break it and just keep going. But this momentum that really comes from here and keep going up here, all this profit taking, the way I see it, can just, okay, they've taken some profits, let us push down back a little bit, give a little bit of sell before we keep going back up. So that's why if I took the trade from here, then if they're giving some sell, then I can be able to be inside of it to ride the train down here, probably maybe the first TP before decide pushing it back up. Yeah, that's why I took the trade. Looking at it on the daily chart himself is you can see it's uptrend, but there's a little bit of retracement is gonna be in there. See, it's choppy also right here. It's really chopping here. So we could see down, up, down, up, down. So a little bit of up, maybe it's gonna come a little bit of down, then before finally testing 72.53, if possible, maybe today. Yeah. Aussie yen. Come on, guys, I need a like. Just please don't forget to like. Yeah, New Zealand daily, we can see is really uptrend. It's a big uptrend overall. So what are we looking at? We tried to take the sell yesterday and they straight down, but we could not complete it. So I just take a little bit of profit out from it before you try to retrace back. Yeah. The demand here has been taken. There's another opportunity of taking another sell here. But what will be my stop loss? My stop loss cannot be up here, because this is another zone that is very strong, that is possible. It's coming back to test this zone. Yeah. Just looking at it, it's getting weaker and weaker with the candle, but it has a big momentum here. Will this momentum continue? No one can say right now. No one can say right now. All I can say is I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna be patient to see what is gonna happen. Because this one has been, it didn't work out. It's supposed to be. Yeah. So I'll see how it goes, but I'll keep my eyes on it. Now it's up to here, so I need to have that patience to be able to take the trade. Either coming back up, down, or down up. One of the two. I'm always ready. Yeah, as what I say, we have another beast. Oh, good. Lovely good. Tapping into the demand, pushing it back up. I'm liking this. Let me see the daily, because I think I'm gonna get involved. Yes, I'm gonna get involved. Sorry guys, I cannot just let this go. I cannot let this go. I'm gonna set the sell limit here again on this gold. Sorry, buy limit. So if it push back down a little bit, I want it to take me in. I want it to take me in. That is good for me. Hold it. Yep. Holy. This chat is very, very funny. I wish you guys could remember. I was saying yesterday that I think we're somewhere 50, 56. I can't remember where we are. I said it's gonna have a little bit of resistance somewhere here before going up here. I believe. You see how it's consolidating. It pull out, but you could not even go further because there's a little bit of resistance here. I think it was this. I think it was this one I drew. This one, yeah. I think I drew this one yesterday. Yeah. That is gonna push up, but it's gonna have a little bit of challenge of to be able to go further. But if you could be able to break this, then you have 60 something to challenge with before going to 65. Yeah. Yeah, no, it can still pull more up. You can look at it. It still has room, but you just need to be careful. Go, only something when you move. Either moving up or moving down. When it moves, it moves. It's just like GBP, JPY. When it move, and when it's moving, the direction is going, it's just going there. So that's one thing about gold, the way I'm seeing it. So there's opportunity of still go up. If you're looking at it on 1 hour, don't just I believe it's just a little bit of pullback. See, there's just a little bit of pullback. See, there's just a little bit of pullback. So there is more room up here, but this is all the supply. Other things you just have to also put into consideration. No, you mean if I have to take it? Oh no, if I have to take it, is for me I have to wait for it to get to this 58 and see the reaction of 58 because when it has all the supply on the supply on the supply, it has more. There's a potential of it pushing out of all this to go and test the third one. Even though it come in here, it's gonna pull back a little bit, and before it start going back to test the last of the supply that it has before maybe they're pulling back or going back from there or taking the rest, coming back down again and decide to go before going up. So when there is supply on the supply or demand on the demand, you have to know the one in the front is always weak because when the momentum come, it's still gonna break through it. Yeah. No, 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 no. For me, it's not that way. Not for me, it's not that way. Guys, come on. I need a like. I know we're few here. We're five in number. So let's like the video. If you're really having, oh, thanks, man. If you're really enjoying it, please let's like the video. Okay, let's look at the next one. We have. Let's look at the beast. The beast. Oh, that's a good sell. This is a good sell. Sorry guys, I'm late, but I'm not too late. He has not left. The train has not left, so I'm selling. Oh no, you don't need to say why am I selling like that, because for me it's what I've already back tested, so I know what I need to see. What I when I see the opportunity, I take it. I don't let it just slip by me. Only when I cannot take it is when you already move more than the entry. Look, something like this for me it's still here in between. It's not even on 50% of this candle. So normally I take it from when it comes in and it close on it, trying to go down. That's when I enter, or I set already my sell limit on it somewhere here to take me in. But just because I was just coming in and I saw it, so that's why I'm taking it. For me it's a sell. It's already on my way. It's on my supply, so for me it's a sell. I just need to move my stop loss a little bit down here. Yeah. Yeah, that's the main reason why you need to be able to know your trade. It's very good to know your trade and know what you do. How to say it. When you backtest, you have enough data to prove that okay, this work. It's not that it's gonna work 100%. No, but when it works, it works. How many times does it work? That's the first thing you have to find out from yourself. How many times when you've backtested a strategy like this, how many times did it work? And the moment you know all this, to make it easy for you to be able to, to place a trade. So for me it's a sell. That is for me. Yeah. No, it's very simple, my brother. It's very simple. Just you need to know yourself, and you need to be able to have spend time with the chat. That's another thing. Spend time with the chat, and test a lot of strategy in your chat. Whatever you want to trade, you have to test it. That's all I can say. You have to test it. You don't take my word for it. You need to test it yourself. You need to be able to test it yourself. Yeah, for me, look, I have it right here. I have it right here. I know I have a demand, a supply up here that is waiting. And this one is a minor supply. The minor supply, okay, see, this is a profit taking. Look how it's going. So to me, this is all minor supply. So it has a potential of breaking it. And you also have a potential of what? Going down. How many times does this work that I've tested? I can tell you, it worked 8 out of 10. So it's a confidence I have in it. Yeah. Come on, guys, hit the like button. Okay. If there's no any other question, let's look at another chat. Let's look at card. It was in this trade also yesterday. Yeah. I think maybe you really wanna go back to this 82.45 because it took me out. I entered the trade from here. There was a supply here, but the supply has been broken, so That's why we didn't see any candle here. Now he's forming a little bit of a staircase, so he's climbing it. Can he go up to here? Who knows? If he can, yeah, it will be nice. It will be nice. Yeah, not too much on this trade, not too much. Okay. Good, guys. Thanks, man. I really appreciate the likes. Yeah. For me, no much things. No much there. Not much things to check on. Just watching and seeing if anything gonna come up, and if it does, yeah, we make use of it. Yeah. Now, that's all I'm watching. Yeah, most of all the trade somewhere in profit, and is the GJ still holding? He has not healed. Me looking at it, and we're not doing bad. New Zealand, we're 3 pips up, and GBP USD, we're also 3 pips up. So it's doing great. It's doing great. See, GBP, yeah, still fighting it. So we'll see how it goes from here. And then New Zealand USD. Yeah, same thing on New Zealand USD. You see, we're just 3 pips off, so we can make something out of that. And we have 3 trade on and GBP USD also. We have 2 shots on British pound pairs. Yeah, GBP USD also. So these are the trade we're in right now. Well, what am I looking at? Yeah, I'm just checking also my trading view to see. I don't have much chart to look at, so yeah. Euro yen. Okay, we can take a look. Euro yen. We can take a look at Euro yen. I think for me, Euro yen, Euro USD, everything is for me short. If I will take the trade, like I look at it this morning, I said to myself, I missed this long one on this daily, and taking it on the 1 hour, nah, it will be nice. It's a big move. See, it's a very big move down. So I just have to wait for it to come down to 126 and see if I will get another opportunity to take it back up a little bit and to make some little profit from it. Yeah, that's what I have, and that's what I think I'm gonna do. All I do is I wait, I let it come to my supply or to my demand. I don't take trade in no man's land. If like there was no supply here, I'm not gonna take the trade. No, unless I see a very good, let's see, a little bit of trend continuation there. And what did I mean by trend continuation? Because the same way it was here, that will make me to re-enter the trade. And if I'm entering in, look, this is trend continuation. Look, it came to test where it's broken, test it, I come back in and test it, then I can enter from here, put my stop loss up here, or the same thing here on this one. You see the way it break it and it came in back in here. So I can look for here or here when I'm seeing like this bearish candle that shows to me, okay, it still have a potential of dropping. Then I can try to target back this place. I put my stop loss up here. I look for 2 to 1. If not, maybe 1 to 1 on this kind of trade like this, very fast. But mostly I target for 2 to 1. Yeah, that's mostly what I target is 2 to 1 all the time. No, no. It doesn't work like that. You want to know why? Yeah, it's spending more time with the chat. That is it, my brother. Spending more time with the chat. Yeah. Okay. Oh yeah, we can look at it. Hey, believe me, the same way Euro Yen is, the same way Euro USD we're gonna be. Oh, they're all for me downtrend. Yeah, they are for me downtrend. See? Yeah, the same way. The same way it is. Yeah, the same way it is. Just looking at it, then it's more clear. The same way you see on Euro Yen, the same way it's coming on Euro USD. You see, it's on downtrend. For me, I cannot take it. If it was somewhere here, I can say, okay, I can still take the trade, put my stop loss back here. Just give a room to the stop loss in case you want to like wiggle back up. See. So, waiting for it to come down is for me is the best thing I'm gonna do to be able to take the trade. Yeah, then I can take the trade. Yeah. Euro. You want me to on Aussie USD? Okay. Aussie, Australian USD. Aussie USD. Oh, this. Let's see. 1 minute. I can see something. I can see something on this trade. Yeah, yeah. It's gonna be long trade. Yeah. This trade is for buy. To me, it's for buy. If this candle can push more down, if it can push more down, then I can take the trade to buy it up, and I put my stop loss. Let's say 76.09. If I have to enter from here, but the way it's going, if it's gonna push more down, then I'm gonna wait and take the trade, and I put my stop loss a little bit more down. Then I'll be targeting somewhere. First target will be here, and the second one will be here. Yeah. I'll really keep eyes on this. Nah, I'll really keep eyes on it. Yeah. Okay. See, now it close. Let's see. And then it's gonna come down a little bit before it starts going back up. No. I'm only in a three trade USD. Oh no, not three trade. I believe I'm in a four trade. Yeah, I've even forgotten I'm in gold. I just I just say never. Gold is like it's giving me it's fluctuating. I need to Let me go into the gold. My mind already skipped it. I'm in gold. That's one thing for me. The moment I take the trade, I just take my mind off. Either eat the TP or it take me out. Unless I check it and I like, okay, try to manage it. Okay. Where did I get this? Let me see. 30 minutes of gold. Yeah. So it's going down and I'm buying it. Let me see. What am I in again? I'm in a GBP JPY. Okay, New Zealand, we are up 14 pips. GBP JPY, it's doing good. We're up 9 pips. GBP USD, we're up 17 pips. So we're doing, I'm doing good. I can't complain. I can't complain. See, that's GBP USD. So it's going good. We still have more room down, so there's no. Okay. Well, guys, I just want to say if there's no more question, nobody has anything that want me to look at. I just want to say thanks very very much, guys, for showing up. I really really appreciate you guys coming. I just want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart for you coming down and watch me right here with my I don't even know how to call my voice, and it doesn't sound any